Hello everyone, this is Professor Simi Rakshit, associated with Swami Vivekananda Institute of Modern Science, Kolkata. In this video, I am going to discuss about industrial relations. So let's start with the meaning and definition of industrial relation. Industrial relation comprises two terms. First one is industry and second one is relation. So what is industry? Let's see. Industry means any productive activity in which an individual is engaged. And we can classify these activities in two categories. First one is primary activities and second one is secondary activities. Primary activities like agriculture, fisheries, plantation, forestry, horticulture, mining, etc. And secondary activities like manufacturing, construction, trade, transport, commerce, banking, business, communication, etc. Now, economically, we can say that industry means the secondary sector where factors of production, so here factors of production means land, labor, capital, enterprise, or 4Ms means men, material, money, machines, are gainfully employed for the purpose of production and where a business organization exists. Relations means the relation that exists in industry between employer and his workforce. And ultimately we can say that industrial relations or IR defines the relationship between the management and workmen and the role of a regulatory body to resolve any industrial dispute. So what is industrial relation? What is the meaning of industrial relation? So by this discussion, we can say that industrial relation comprises two terms, industry and relation, which refers a relationship between the employers and employee to resolve any industrial conflict. Now we will learn about types of industrial relation. Under this type, we will see in an industry there are various types of group are present. So there are so many groups of workers in an industry like workmen, supervisory staff, management and employers, and relationship between various groups that affects the social, economic, political life of the whole community. Thus, industrial life creates a series of social relationships which regulates our relation and working together of not only workman and management but also of the community and industry. So there are some types. So mainly there are four types under this industrial relation. So first one is here labor relation. That is relation between union and management. And this labor relation is also known as labor management relation. Now the second one is here group relation. Group relation means relationship between or relations between various group of workmen, that is workmen, supervisors, technical persons, etc. Third one is here employers-employee relation, that is relations between the management and employees. It denotes all management-employers relation except the union management relations. And the last one, the last type is here community or public relation. That means relations between industry and the society. Now I am going to talk about the scope, means the expansion of this industrial relation. And this industrial relation, it is very important for day-to-day work, means for day-to-day business, means for running a day-to-day business inside in an industry. Industrial relationship, it is very important, means maintenance of this industrial relationship, it is very important. So there are some scopes, so I will discuss one by one. So first one, relationship among employees, between employees and their supervisors and managers. Collective relation between trade unions and management, and it is called union management relation. And the third one, collective relation among trade unions, employers association and government. Now, the scope is very wide and it includes the establishment and maintenance of good personal relations in the industry, ensuring manpower development, establishing a closer contract between persons connected with the industry, and that between the management and the workers, creating a sense of belonging in the mind of management, creating a mutual affection, responsibility, and regard for each other, stimulating production as well as industry and economic development, establishing a good industrial climate, peace, ultimately maximizing social welfare. So by maintaining this good relationship between the employer and employee, an industry can develop its economic activities and as well as its industrial activities, means that means uh, an industry can be developed by economically, and can be developed by industrial also, and by this they can maximize the social welfare. Now I am going to discuss about importance of industrial relation. So here the first one, good industrial relations help in economic progress of a country. The problem of enhancing productivity is necessarily the problem of establishing and maintaining good industrial relations. Because of this, they form an important part of economic development plan of every civilized nation. Now the second importance is here, healthy industrial relations are also essential to help establish and maintain true industrial democracy. Third importance is here, in order to help management both in the formulation of informed labor relation policies and their translation into action. Fourth one, peaceful industrial relation assist government in making laws forbidding unfair practices of unions and employers. In climate of good industrial relations, every part works for the solidarity of workers' movement. Unions acquire more strength and vitality. Inter-union rivalry remains no more. And the last one, good industrial relations also help boost the discipline and morale of workers. Maintenance of good discipline ensures effectiveness and economy in the use of resources. On the other side, absence of discipline means indiscipline, accidents, waste, loss, confusion. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.